The ISMGM511E Bluetooth hands-free car charger from iSimple offers a host of features and benefits for any vehicle. In the box, you'll find a detailed instruction manual, a 3.5mm aux lead, and the ISMGM511E itself, complete with dual USB ports, microSD compatibility, and a 1/4 inch screen. When plugged in, the ISMGM511E will briefly display the battery voltage before switching to the main screen. You can then pair your smartphone to the ISMGM511E via Bluetooth. The device will appear as a car kit, and an audible beep will confirm the device's pairing. Once connected, you can stream music from any desirable platform, charge smart devices via the USB ports, and take phone calls whilst driving using the various buttons shown. For more information concerning the ISMGM511E, contact us via the details on screen or head on over to connect2.com.